In section 1.2, we examined converting seconds to minutes. There is a linear relationship between seconds and minutes. Let S be the number of seconds and M be the number of minutes. Find the equation of the line that passes through these points. So, what we'll do here is, to find this linear relationship, well, that means that we want an equation of the form M minutes is equal to, I'm going to use a capital M here for slope, ms plus b. So where this is the number of minutes, this is the seconds, capital M will represent the slope, and b is still the y-intercept. Alright, so we have some points for data. So if we think of those as ordered pairs, we have this ordered pair as 30, 0.5, and we have the second ordered pair as 60, 1, and we're told that there is a linear relationship, so let's find the slope. So then capital M would equal 1 minus 0.5 over 60 minus 30. And so that gives us 0.5 over 30. Now, we don't really like this form of the fraction because it has a decimal within a fraction. One way to clear a fraction of decimals is to multiply through numerator and denominator by some power of 10 that will clear the decimals. Since I see a 0.5 in the numerator, I only need to, in a sense, move the decimal one place. So what I'll do here is I'll multiply by 10, and that gives me 5 over 300, and now I can reduce that fraction by a factor of 5. So in a sense now I'm dividing by 5. Reducing the fraction gives me 1 over 60. So my slope is 1 over 60. So now I can revise my model and say the number of minutes is 1/60th times S plus B. Now I will use one of the ordered pairs. I'm going to just use the second ordered pair, 60, 1. I'm going to substitute that for S and M respectively and solve for B. So then 1 would equal 1/60th of 60 plus B. Simplifying, 1 equals 1 plus B, and subtracting 1 from both sides, we find that B is equal to 0. And so then, since we have B equals 0, that tells us, well, now we can make the final revision of our model. So we would have M equals 1/60th S plus 0. Well, we don't write plus 0. M equals 1/60th S. So this tells us that the number of minutes is equal to 1/60th of the number of seconds.